Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to adjust screen brightness on Android. It's pretty much very easy. Just follow through with the steps. So whether you want to do it manually or automatically, I'm just going to show you how you can adjust your screen brightness on Android so you can make your screen easier on the eyes or more visible in the bright sunlight. Now, what is screen brightness? Screen brightness controls how dim or bright your display is. Lower brightness helps save battery and reduce eye strain, while higher brightness improves visibility, especially outdoors. Now, the first method I'm going to show you is how to use the quick settings panel for all Android devices. Just swipe down once from the top of the screen to open the notification shade, all right, which is this. Then swipe down again to fully expand the quick settings panel, which I've done here. Now look for the brightness slider at the top, usually at the bottom or the top of the panel. Then drag the slider, this is left to dim, or right, drag it right to brighten your screen. So that is how it works. So to toggle auto brightness, just look for an icon like a sun with the A, or tap the gear for more icons. All right, so it's like night plus. I think this actually works. Like look for an icon like a sun with the A. Mine is showing like night light, so for some of them you can definitely find that icon. Just go ahead and click on it or tap the gear icon for more options. Now this is the fastest way to change brightness. Just swipe and slide. Okay, that's how it works. Now from method 2 is from the settings app, which has detailed control. Just open settings, and once you open settings, just head over to display, and once you head over to display, you can check on brightness level, select brightness level, and use the brightness slider to adjust to the top. Just adjust it there. Now you can also toggle on adaptive brightness minus on. Toggle this on to let your phone adjust brightness based on lighting and your usage habits. Now, Samsung's adaptive brightness is smart. It learns your habits and automatically fine-tunes the screen for you. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.